Illegally detained senior leader of the All-Party Hurriyat Conference, Nayeem Khan, has urged the United Nations to take steps to settle the Kashmir dispute by implementing its relevant resolutions. According to Kashmir Media Service, Nayeem Khan, in a message from New Delhi's Tihar jail, said that it was obligatory for the UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres to play a role in resolving the decades-old Kashmir dispute. High Court of Occupied Kashmir has quashed the illegal detention of an innocent youth booked under the Black Law, the Public Safety Act. According to Kashmir Media Service, Justice Rahul Bharti quashed the PSA detention of the youth Shehbaz Ahmed after hearing his case. Narendra Modi-led Indian government continues to snatch the properties of the innocent people in occupied Kashmir to punish them for their affiliation with the ongoing freedom movement. According to Kashmir Media Service, in its fresh move, the Modi regime confiscated the properties of two persons in the Kulgam and Jammu district. The police dubbed them as the drug smugglers and peddlers to justify the illegal move of confiscation of their properties. Special Investigation Unit of the Indian Police has produced a charge sheet against 3 innocent Kashmiris before a court in the Baramulla district. According to Kashmir Media Service, they were arrested by the Indian police during raids at their houses in August last year. Narendra Modi-led Indian government has sent specialist armed vehicles to occupied Kashmir to suppress the Kashmiris' struggle for securing their right to self-determination from the Indian yoke. According to Kashmir Media Service, the light specialist armed vehicles, the LSVs, have been dispatched for deployment in the Jammu region and the Kashmir Valley. A meeting was held in Islamabad to finalize the preparations regarding the observance of the Kashmir Solidarity Day on 5th February at home and abroad in a grand manner with zeal and enthusiasm. Presiding over the meeting, the Secretary of the Ministry of Kashmir Affairs maintained that it is our national duty to express solidarity with the oppressed people of the occupied Kashmir.